Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a T-Mobile eSIM QR code. And it's really easy and simple. So basically we're going to be going ahead and setting up our eSIM. So for example, if you're doing this on, let's say, a Google device, okay? On the initial setup, you'll be prompted to activate a SIM, eSIM, or transfer the one from an existing device. And if you already have set up your device and you're connected to Wi-Fi, they will prompt you to activate your eSIM when it's actually ready to add. And if you don't get the prompt, or you choose to activate it later, this is what you do, guys. You go ahead and select settings, go to network and internet, then you want to choose add SIM. To basically add the SIM, you want to select download your SIM, okay? Select that, and now you want to follow the steps, the on-screen instructions to activate your T-Mobile eSIM, okay? And then basically, if your device is asking for a QR code, you need to contact T-Mobile, let them know, and they will email it to you, okay? This is the official guide of T-Mobile. So I hope this guide was of value to you. And if it was, guys, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.